Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a critical topic for every Linux system administrator: how to recover or reset the root password on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10. Forgetting the root password is like locking yourself out of your own house. Except this house is your mission-critical Linux server. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get back in. Before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux, DevOps, and server management tutorials. Over the years as a Linux system administrator, one of the most common questions I've received is, how do I reset the root password in Linux Red Hat 10? The good news is, it's not only possible, it's actually pretty straightforward. If you know the right steps. You might need to reset the root password in RHEL-10 for a few reasons. You've simply forgotten it. It was changed by someone else, or it was stolen or compromised. In any of these situations, you'll be locked out of critical administrative access. But don't panic. I'll walk you through step by step how to safely reset it and regain full control of your system. Let's start with RHEL-10, which has a slightly different sequence compared to older versions. When you're at the GRUB menu, press the E key to edit the boot parameters. On the kernel line, add the following at the end: init equals /bin/bash. This tells the system to boot directly into a root shell, bypassing the normal boot process. Once you're at the bash prompt, you'll notice the root file system is in read-only mode. The first thing we need to do is remount it with right permissions. Run, mount, remount, rw/next. Change the root password using the --past command. Past root. Enter your new password twice to confirm. This updates the root password in the /etc/shadow file. Now here's a crucial step that many people overlook. If SELinux is enabled, the system might deny login access to /etc/shadow because of incorrect labels. To fix this, we'll trigger a relabel during the next boot. Run, touch, auto relabel. This creates a hidden file that tells the system to relabel all files on reboot, ensuring everything works correctly. To complete the process, execute exec/sbin/init. This exits the temporary root shell and continues normal system initialization. After the system reboots and completes the relabeling, you'll be able to log in using your new root password. Warning: follow this procedure carefully. Even a small mistake can make your system unstable. Always test these steps in a non-production environment before applying them to live servers, and that's it. You've successfully reset the root password in RHEL-10